Hi friends, it's Gina here from ichoosejoy.org, and we have a new Artza Box. I'm so excited because this is their Christmas box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. As always, it starts with some cards, like postcards, telling you, okay, this is Manger Square and Jaffa. This is the recipe that we're going to learn about for walnut pecan halva cake. Yum. Here are some of the artisans for this particular box. Let's see, this one is Eli, and he makes something with food. I'm going to have to look at that more later. And Tali, looks like she made some type of book, maybe a coloring book. This is telling more about the Christmas box and what's in it. Here is Joe, and he is a culinary artisan. And Tamar, painting. So I can't wait to see what they have made in here. Another beautiful photograph. Already opening up the box, I can smell how good it is. All right, this is something made of wood. Protected nicely here. Trying to cut through the little bubble wrap. There we go. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I love this little bell. That is so cute. So this is gorgeous. Gorgeous little manger scene that says Bethlehem on it. Then we have a fruit and herbal infusion. Has pineapple, papaya, cranberries, hibiscus, pomegranate powder. Oh my gosh, this looks really good. Okay, and this is something else that's food. I think pecan halva. And I think it's a spread. I'm gonna have to cut that one open. There we go. There you can kind of see in the bottom, it is definitely a spread of, there we go. It's like sesame. It has sesame and pecan in it. So I think sesame, isn't that tahini? I think so. All right, next we have, I believe this is soap. Yeah, homemade soap. Open that up to see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. How beautiful. And smells good too. Yum. Here's a little box of something else made of wood. Looks like an ornament. How cute. I think I need to glue this little part back on here. And that is a cute little ornament there. And yum, chocolate, love that. So we've got bean to bar chocolate, pumpkin spice and sakla flavored. Yum, gonna try that out. Okay, next we have, let's see, what is this? It's so fun to open up these boxes because there's such different things in here. And I love that they're all homemade by these wonderful small businesses in Israel. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Peace unto your home. So beautiful. I'm going to hang that up. And this, yeah, look what it is, a hand-created coloring book. I know someone who's going to love this. Love it. Okay, looks like there is one more thing in here, and this is out of his heart will flow rivers of living water. So this is a beautiful print ready to be framed. So that is what we have in this Christmas box from Artza, which you can order now. So you've got your print and the coloring book and this gorgeous wall hanging. See if I can get that to stay there. The soap, the spread, the spice, well, fruit and herbal infusion actually, the wood ornament, the wood thing that you put on your table or a shelf, the chocolate, and all the cards. So I hope you will enjoy getting your Artza Box. Just go to ichoosejoy.org/Artza Box to learn more and to get your coupon code, because you can get this for less than what they sell it for full price. Bye-bye.